guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this transparent text outline effect on CapCut PC. So add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in text effect. You don't have to type that in, of course. And select a font. You can select any font you want, and make sure there's an outline, either like a black outline or a white outline. For this one, I'm just going to select this white outline. And if you don't want it, if you don't want to get it from here, you can also go down to stroke, and here you can also adjust the thickness of the outline if you'd like to. I'm just going to kind of make it a little bit thinner like that. Then add in a background. Add in any background that you want to. Maybe not this. Maybe this one. And then on your text, I'm just going to adjust it. Right click, create compound clip, go to blend mode and choose green. Now if your outline was a black color, you're just going to choose the darkened one, but I'm choosing this green one for this effect. You can even add in an animation if you'd like to. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!